is pretty much indistinguishable from a real turkey.
Not lit. It even gobbles.
Oh, that was close.
There we go. We're gonna fly pie. It's pretty heavy, and the turkey's gonna drop pie if all goes as planned.
It just releases to that side, and it's gonna flip the pie right out.
So we take a little snow, some whipped cream on it. Here we go. Take some weight off of our helicopter. Now we're gonna give it a round two. It's trying, baby. It wants to fly. Okay. Did miss my head, but it did land here and make a lot of diarrhea poop. Oh. You get it?
He missed.
Fail blog.
Oh,
He totally missed.
Nice. It's gross pie. That's Walmart pie right there. Ugh.